I welcome our chief mentor, our principal ma'am, our vice principal sir, our beloved teachers, dear parents, and all the children. We are very glad to welcome you here on this special day, our 39th annual day celebration. Welcome you all. And now I would like to call our principal ma'am and vice principal sir to start the program with the lamp lighting. Welcome you, ma'am. And Vainavi to take over this program.
Here. Welcome to our 39th annual day celebration. I'm Mufika. I'm Sitat.
And I'm Salna. We are excited to hear Amy for this grand morning, grand vigil and celebration.
I call upon Vainavi to give a welcome address. Of human connection and the pursuit of the greater purpose. Greeting to one and all present here. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment for celebrating our 39th annual day. Today's children are the future of our state as well as our nation. Brilliant faces that I am witnessing today. Those who are going to receive their awards and exhibiting their talents will grow up and definitely will be the citizens of our beloved nation tomorrow. Next, I welcome our honorable correspondent sir, who is the pillar of our school. We welcome you, sir. A heartfelt welcome to our respect principal ma'am, who will support and guide us in every situation. We welcome you, ma'am. Now let us welcome our lovable VP sir, who is the main pillar of our school. It's time to welcome our respect AO sir to the function. Now let us welcome our lovable and enlightened teachers who enlighten the students. To the world of our parents may be simply a person, but for us they are the world. I feel immense pleasure to welcome my... Thank you. Now I invite our principal to give away the annual report of our school.
One present here, the most revered members of the school management, respected parents, our well-wishers, teaching and non-teaching staff, and beloved students. Okay. Wisdom is not a product of schooling, but a lifelong attempt to acquire it. A warm welcome about to everyone arrived here today as we celebrate our 39th annual day and our 39 years of dedicated service towards providing overwhelming education since our inception from 1985. We take this opportunity to thank the Almighty for His abundant blessings and guidance. I'm honored to present the annual report of the year 2023-24. As we share the yearly updates of our activities, we take the modest to say that we did our best to do as we had planned to our annual planner, and we are proud of our students and teachers who strive hard to achieve beyond expectations for the consistent upward graph of our school's achievement and glories. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them in the areas of academic, sports, discipline, leadership, skills, and spiritual empowerment. As per the saying, a good beginning makes a big difference. The academic year began with an orientation program for the parents which helped them decipher the school's philosophy, curriculum, pedagogy, and protocols in accordance with the rules governed by the CBSE. The academic year began on 14th June 2023 for our little birds of grade 1st and 2nd, filled with excitement, enthusiasm, and energy. Curiosity is the foundation of learning. We always focus on what's next, what is to be done for the future generation. We got the answer in the form of NEP 2020, that is the National Education Policy and the NCF National Curriculum Framework. As per the NCERT guidelines, we frame the syllabus where the students learn the same topics in different point of view in various subjects. To support this year we follow Orient Blackswan books for the integrated learning. Exclusive study material were developed for each subject by the staff members to make learning easier and effective. Digital support were provided by the management for better understanding of concepts. This helped the child to get a 360-degree view of any topic they learn with a widened knowledge. Then, we would like to share our teaching methodology. You don't understand anything until you learn it more than one way. We firmly believe in this concept, so lesson plans were developed keeping in mind the mindset of the grades 1 and 2 students. Lessons and concepts were made easier by creating interest from known to unknown concepts, encouraging questioning and reasoning, application-oriented learning, classroom discussion with activity and sight words. These methods made the child to learn, understand and apply, which is most needed for the 2K kid. We also train the students in ancillary subjects. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Along with the regular curriculum, we add up the extra subjects to boost up the minds of the children like spoken English. This year, separate faculty was allotted for spoken English in order to improve the communication skills through various activities. Rolling trophy was accorded for the best English speaking class. We also concentrate on phonetics. The root of reading starts with sounds of alphabets. Blue Stars is proud to say that we give exclusive training to the students in phonics for proper and correct pronunciation of the words. The ultimate aim of phonics is to make the child a self-learner, then about general knowledge. Knowledge is power, information is liberating. Taking this into account, the important concepts to be known by a child of grade 1st and 2nd based on the NEP are given through the booklet designed by the school. Smart classes were used for better explanation and quiz programs were conducted on the topics. Students are also trained in Speed Max. The focus of Max class remains on speed and procedure over connection and understanding. Students are trained to work out the problem keeping time into account. Speed cum accuracy is our target. Why the Speed Max? To overcome the fear of max and to build up confidence. The practice sheets for Speed Max is included in the booklet given to the students. And finally, spoken Hindi. One language said so in Corridor for Life. 3 languages open every door along the way. Students were given special training in spoken Hindi, as we know the importance of Hindi as a widely spoken language in the world. Next, I would say all progress takes place outside their comfort zone. As per this saying, each class was evaluated based on the performance chart, which includes handwriting, discipline, classroom neatness, uniform academic performance, punctuality and regularity, assembly activities, spoken English, notice board activities, reading, assignment, and sports and extracurricular activities. The academic performance of the students were evaluated through the tests and exams. This year we planned 7 slip tests, 3 cycle tests, 2 model exams and 2 terminal exams. The extra subject classes were conducted weekly twice and the students were evaluated with 4 slip tests and 2 terminal exams. Not only the tests, students were motivated to take part in various activities and competitions to showcase their talents. Competition strengthens character and reveals true potential. Competitions bring out the best version of oneself. So the competitions were conducted in English and Tamil handwriting, spell bee, tables, Tirukural recitation, English and Tamil reading, elocution, moral stories, extempore, speaking on the given topic, Speed Max, card reading with phonics. The most important part of this academic year is the introduction of SEED, which means skill enhancement for educational development. A day without books and heavy load with open hands and open mind can carry loads for the future. Yes, all these 3 days were announced as no bag day. And the most awaited day for each student is also a need of the hour. Here, students learn by doing the activities and there is no doubt it becomes a successful one and they were trained in proper way to wash their hands, usage of eco-friendly products, self-grooming, self-care and personal hygiene, dress folding, proper method to tie a shoelace and so on. Along with fame, we had some remarkable events too. Memories may fade as the years go by, but they don't age a day. Many special events were held in Blue Stars to groom the personal, social, and emotional skills of our students. The first one was Mars Expo 2023, the multidisciplinary project expo. It is maths, arts, science, social science and sports. Exhibition was conducted on October 5th and 6th. Honorable Education Minister, Mr. Namachivayam, felicitated as a chief guest. 161 students from grade 1st and 2nd participated in Mars Expo 2023. 19 projects were exhibited in Maths and 21 projects in Science by the student of grade 1st and 2nd. 9 students got prizes in Science and 6 students got prizes in Maths. The purpose of this science exhibition is to stimulate interest in science and maths. It enhances creativity, critical thinking, and also fosters teamwork and communicative skill. Then, the club activities. The language clubs focus on the development of language skills. There are 4 skills one can develop in order to master a language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These skills are categorized into 2 sessions, receptive and productive. We encourage these clubs as language activity improves memory and brain function. Here, the English club activity was conducted on 23rd of December 2023 during the forenoon session. It was inaugurated by the principal. Events were planned based on the LSRW skill. Around 42 students participated from grade 1st and 2nd in the English club activity and showcased their talents on various events. Christmas Day was celebrated during the afternoon session, starting with the introduction of the birth of Jesus Christ, followed by the carols, dancing, arrival of Santa Claus, welcoming New Year with a candle prayer. And the Tamil literary activity was held on 12th January 2024 in the afternoon session from grade 1 and 2nd. 43 students participated in the events to exemplify their talents. It also portrays our cultural heritage and tradition. Along with Tamil literary, Pongal was celebrated. In order to educate the child about the Tamil festival, Pongal celebration was made by making Pongal in earthen pots and presenting it for the sun god, followed by the traditional songs and folk dance. Then about sports. Champions are not made in the gyms. Champions are manifested by their desire, dream, and vision. Through the Blue Star Sports Arena, we inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students. Sports, games, and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Our students have achievements in national, district, state, and zonal level through our Blue Star Sports Arena. We had a Como celebration of 38th Sports Day and Independence Day on August 14, 2023 in our sports arena. Major events were conducted for the students of 4th to 12th in athletics, badminton, football, volleyball, chess, carom, long jump, shot put, cricket, and throw ball. Recreational games were conducted for the students of grade 1st and 2nd. The following events: running race, ball collecting relay, ball throw relay, zigzag running relay, and so on. We are overwhelmed with the immense response and support of our parents. The winners team and runners team was chosen based on their performance, and they were awarded with trophies and certificates. Evening classes are also conducted for the interested students in recreational games. These classes help us to identify our future sports person. Then to elaborate about the fine arts, I would say fine art is that in which the hand, the head and art of a man goes together. The Blue Stars Fine Arts Academy conducts various co-curricular activities to develop a child physically, morally, socially, and mentally to all skills and core scholastic area and pave way to excel their caliber. This non-academic co-curricular activities supports the students to surpass in their academics. So, we offer vocal, drums, keyboard, karate, silambam, western dance, and classical and folk dance, and drawing. Our students have participated in the drawing competition conducted by various organizations in which Asfiya from grade 2nd and Gopika from grade 1st were awarded first prize, and one day inter-school karate tournament was held in our school. Students from many schools participated and exhibited their talents. State level karate tournaments were held by Puducherry Martial Arts Academy, and our students won trophies and certificates. Next, workshops were conducted for the enhancement of skills in teachers. With the sole purpose of updating teachers' knowledge, the school hosted a series of teachers' workshops and seminars throughout the year for the overall development and enhancement of skills in teachers. Then, to keep ourselves up with the pace of the modern world, complete digitalization of the school was undertaken this year, which transformed the entire school course channel through the information technology, bringing in more transparency and enhances communication with parents through our Blue Star School app. Parents can keep a real-time track on the status of their child for daily attendance, fee status, periodic results, school circulars and news, events and celebration through the school app. Boosters also organized dental and eye camp for all the students, where the doctors from primary health center advise the students to keep their teeth clean, to eat balanced diet, and to keep their eyes in right condition. Students of grade 1 were vaccinated for DPT on getting consent from their parents. Another new opening of the year is Blue Stars Cafe in the sports arena. It provides quality and nutritious food through our organic farms and also encourage the children to eat healthy food. The school canteen provides scrumptious snacks both for noon and afternoon session. Lunch and breakfast constitute important meals of the day. This was made easier and feasible by ordering through the Blue Stars Cafe portal in our school website. We also extend our support to the public through the Blue Stars Walkers Club, which functions in sports arena, can help you care for your body, especially for the parents. Walking is a low-impact activity that is easy on your joints and can be done at any age or fitness level. A Walkers Club concentrates on the complete fitness of the body and mind. And about our new Mother Teresa campus for the LKG students. The building is completely based on the NEP, be it the infrastructure or the curriculum. Every subject is studio-based, where the students move to the studios for learning. Totally, we have 9 studios for the overall development of the child. Socio-emotional, arts, music, science and technology, maths, language, physical fitness, social public speaking, etc. A child learns in a disciplined manner in this method of curriculum. The name itself says, kindergarten to kindle and ignite the hidden talent of the child. Next, our wards of higher secondary are trained for application-oriented and online exams for various All India competitive entrance exam through our Blue Stars Entrance Academy. These entrance classes are conducted on every weekend. Finally, I would like to share our future plans with you. We had already started Olympiad exams for grade 3rd to 9th students. It helps to identify true potential of the student and aptitude. This year, we provide opportunity to the students to try on the following Olympiad with SOF. International English Olympiad, National Science Olympiad, and International Maths Olympiad. Our students came out with flying colors. They won gold medals and are selected for the second level Olympiad exams too. Next year, we plan Olympiad for grade 1st and 2nd also. Next year, we plan Olympiad for grade 1st and 2nd also. Along with this, we introduce IGKO Olympiad for general knowledge in the forthcoming year. To conclude, dear parents and all the staff members, we are extremely thankful for your valuable support in ruling the wards with state of art and perpetual performance of excellence. Thank you everyone. With kind regards, thank you.
Hard work, dedication, and sacrifice. Success is an emotion which motivates us to achieve more and more. Now I invite our honorable dignitaries to distribute the prize for the winners.
Our students are valued based on their performance in academics, sports, and arts under various criteria. And here, I am very happy and glad to announce the best performance on academics, sports, and arts. Let me call
stage.
Sa 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 di sa pa, ma ba da 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 sa di pa pa. Sa 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 di sa pa, ma ba da 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 sa di pa pa. Ga ma da ni sa di ri sa. அழகே அழகே எதுவும் அழகே அன்பின் விழியில் எல்லாம் அழகே மழை மட்டுமா அழகு சுடும் வெயில் கூட ஒரு அழகு மலர் மட்டுமா அழகு விழும் இலை கூட ஒரு அழகு புன்னகை வீசிடும் பார்வைகள் அழகு வார்த்தைகள் தீர்க்கையில் மௌனங்கள் அழகு நன்மைக்கு சொல்லிடும் பொய்களும் அழகு உண்மை அதுதான் நீயாய் அழகு கமதனிசா நிரிசா கமதனிசா கரிசா குயில் இசையது பாடிட ஸ்வர வரிசைகள் தேவையா மயில் நடனங்கள் ஆடிட ஜதி ஒளிகளும் தேவையா நதி நடந்து சென்றிட வழி துணைதான் தேவையா கடல் அலையது பேசிட மொழி இலக்கணம் தேவையா இயற்கையோடு இணைந்தால் உலகம் முழுதும் அழகு கவலையாவும் மறந்தால் இந்த வாழ்க்கை முழுதும் அழகு கமதனிசா நிரிசா கமதனிசா கரிசா அழகே அழகே எதுவும் அழகே அன்பின் விழியில் எல்லாம் அழகே மழை மட்டுமா அழகு சுடும் வெயில் கூட ஒரு அழகு மலர் மட்டுமா அழகு விழும் இலை கூட ஒரு அழகு புன்னகை வீசிடும் பார்வைகள் அழகு வார்த்தைகள் தீர்க்கையில் மௌனங்கள் அழகு நன்மைக்கு சொல்லிடும் பொய்களும் அழகு உண்மையில் அதுதான் நீயாய் அழகு கமதனிசா நிரிசா கமதனிசா கரிசா.
Thank you, cuties, for your wonderful dance. Now I welcome our school rock stars to sing a song in Tamil.
Thank you.
the best. He said, of course, you will love the best, but if you play together, you will look much beautiful. From that day, they play together, then they make the world as colorful as them. As the proverb, unity is strength. We have to unite ourselves with everyone to make the world as a colorful one. Thank you.
Let's set the ball rolling with a mesmerizing dance performance by Westler in Hindi.
Mangalam, Mission Mangalam. Mangalam, Mission Mangalam. मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल साज है. मंगलम mission मंगलम. मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल साज है. चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है.
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में मार्स है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है. दिल में मार्स है, उड़ने की प्यास है. दिल में मार्स है. मंगलम मिशन मंगलम, स्पेस मंगलम, शटल मंगलम, फूल मंगलम, स्वाग मंगलम, हैश मंगलम, डैश मंगलम, ग्रीन मंगलम, मिशन मंगलम, काउंटडाउन मिशन मंगलम, मंगलम मिशन मंगलम, टेलीस्कोप डायरेक्ट स्वाहा. अपने ब्रेन 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 की है कारस्तानी, हम तो ढूंढ 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 ले फायर में पानी, फायर में पानी. अपने देश 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 में सब कुछ मुमकिन है. We don't need 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 no मेहरबानी, no मेहरबानी. थोड़े फेल 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 है, फिर भी पास है. उल्टू मूड 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 में हम बिंदास है. चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है.
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में मार्स है, ओ दिल में मार्स है. अपने दिल में मार्स है, उड़ने की प्यास है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है. ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम, स्पेस मंगलम, मेडल मंगलम, जोश मंगलम, जशन मंगलम, स्टाइल मंगलम, जशन मंगलम, कॉस्मोस मिशन मंगलम, एक और मिशन मंगलम, ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम, कायनात सारे स्वाहा.
Thank you guys for your mesmerized dance performance. Let us call upon our school Nightingales to sing a song in English.
Make
Down block.
yoga that involves the movement of the body parts in a very elegant manner. Now I invite our classical queens to the stage.
गंगा शंखा कावेरी
श्रीरङ्गेश मनोहरी कल्याणकारी कलुषारी नमस्तेस्तु सुधाझरी
ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி இன்பம் பொங்கும் தென்கங்கை நீராடி மஞ்சள் குங்குமம் மங்கை நீ சூடி இன்பம் பொங்கும் தென்கங்கை நீராடி செந்தல் போல நீ ஆடடி மஞ்சள் குங்குமம் மங்கை நீ சூடி தெய்வப்பாசுரம் பாடடி ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி கொள்ளிடம் நீர் மீது நர்த்தனம் ஆடும் மெல்லிய பூங்காற்று மந்திரம் பாடும் செங்கனி மேலாடும் மாமரம் யாவும் ரங்கனின் பேர் சொல்லி சாமரம் வீசும் அந்நாளில் சோழ மன்னர்கள் ஆக்கி வைத்தனர் ஆலயம் அம்மாடி என்ன சொல்வேன் கோயில் கோபுரம் ஆயிரம் தேனாக நெஞ்சை அள்ளுமே தெய்வ பூந்தமிழ் பாயிரம் ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி இன்பம் பொங்கும் தென்கங்கை நீராடி தென்றல் போல நீ ஆடடி மஞ்சள் குங்குமம் மங்கை நீ சூடி தெய்வ பாசுரம் பாடடி ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி
ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி இன்பம் பொங்கும் தென்கங்கை நீராடி தென்றல் போல நீ ஆடடி மஞ்சள் குங்குமம் மங்கை நீ சூடி தெய்வ பாசுரம் பாடடி ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீ
Listen of mine. Let us call our school singers to sing a Tamil song.
My
நயனமான மயிலே நயனமான மயிலே அழகு வளர்க்கும் பிடித்த அறம் தோல் மயிலே அழகும் பிடித்த அழகு தோல் மயிலே 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 மயிலே. After dancing and singing, it's time for acting.
Yes, you are right. It is time for drama. Now I invite our
Dramatist to the stage.
அன்னப்பறவையே, இந்த உலகத்திலேயே நீதான் மிகவும் அழகான பறவை, மகிழ்ச்சியான பறவையும் நீதான் என்றது. அதற்கு அன்னப்பறவை, இல்லை பதமே, நானும் அப்படிதான் நினைத்துக் கொண்டிருந்தேன். கிளியை பார்க்கும் வரை கிளியின் பச்சை நிறம் அனைவரும் விரும்பும்படி இருக்கும். அதன் அழகு சிவப்பு நிறத்தில் அழகாக இருக்கும். கழுத்தில் இருக்கும் வளையம் போன்ற கோடு கிளிக்காயகினை கூட்டும். அதுதான் உலகத்திலேயே மிகவும் அழகான அதிர்ஷ்டசாலியான பறவை. நீ அதனை சந்திக்க என்று கூறிவிட்டு நீயில் நீந்தியபடி சென்றது. இதனை கேட்டதும் கிளியை பார்க்க சென்றது காகம். அதற்கு கிளி, இல்லை நண்பா, நீ தவறாக நினைத்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறாய். நான் பயந்து மயந்து வாழ்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறேன். மனிதர்கள் என்னை கண்டால் பிடித்து சென்று கூட்டில் வைத்து வளர்க்கின்றன. நான் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இல்லை. நீ மீன் கொத்து பறவையை பார்த்ததில்லையா? அதுதான் மிகவும் பலசாலியான புத்திசாலியான பறவை. அதனிலுமே நீ சென்று என்று கூறிவிட்டு சொன்னது. மீன்கொத்தி, இல்லை இல்லை, நீ நினைப்பது தவறு. நான் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இல்லை. என்னை விடவும் மிகவும் அழகான பறவை இவ்வுலகத்தில் உள்ளது என்றது. அதற்கு காகம், நண்பா, நீ என்ன சொல்கிறாய்? என்னை விடவும் அழகான பறவை இவ்வுலகத்தில் உள்ளதா என்பது. பல மணி நேரத்திற்கு பிறகு அருகில் உள்ள ஊழியர் பெண்ணாடி மயிலை பார்த்தது. மயில் தோழியை விட்டு ஆடிக்கொண்டிருந்தது. மயில் மிகப்பெரிய மகிழ்ச்சி. எதற்காக என்னை காண வந்தாய் என்பது அதற்கு காரணம் உலகத்திலேயே மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சியான அழகான பறவை நீதான். எனவேதான் உங்களை காண வந்தேன் என்றது. அதற்கு மணி ஹா 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 என சத்தமாக சிரித்தது. சொல்வது உண்மைதான். ஆனால் நான் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இல்லை. நான் இந்த உயிரியல் பூங்காவில் பல நாட்களாக வாழ்கிறேன். எல்லா பறவைகளும் கூடில் அடைக்கப்பட்டு தங்கள் காட்சி பொருளாக உள்ளன. அது நானும் போவது. ஏன் இல்லை? உலகத்தில் அழகான மகிழ்ச்சியான பறவை நீதான். நான் உன்னைத்தான் சொல்கிறேன். ஆம், நான் பார்த்து வியந்தது உண்மைதான். நானும் என்னை போன்ற மற்ற பறவை இனங்களில் சிலவும் கூண்டில் அடைக்கப்பட்டு தங்களின் வாழ்வினை வாழ்கின்றன. ஆனால் நீயோ எவ்வித தடுமாற்றமின்றி சந்தோஷமாக சுதந்திரமாக வாழ்கிறாய். அழகு என்பது நாம் வண்ணத்தில் இல்லை, நம் எண்ணத்திலும் நாம் வாழும் வாழ்க்கையிலும் உள்ளது. உன் மனதில் இருக்கும் தாழ்வு மண்பான்மையை தூக்கி போடு. பறவைகள் இனத்திலே நீதான் மிகவும் சந்தோஷமான பறவை. தேவையில்லாமல் நம்மை பிறருடன் ஒப்பிட்டு பார்த்து நாம் சந்தோஷத்தை நாம் கெடுத்துக் கொள்ளக்கூடாது. கடவுள் நமக்கு கொடுத்ததை நாம் மறுப்பதில்லை. நமக்கு இல்லாததை நினைத்து வாழ்வதை விட யார் இருப்பதை நினைத்து திருப்தியாக வாழ்கிறார்களோ அவர்களே மிகவும் மகிழ்ச்சியானவை. நன்றி. What a great performance! Give a big round of applause. Music is an emotion where our spirit connect. Let us invite our blue sound cuckoos to sing the song in English. Bye.
தென்பாண்டி சீமையிலே தேரோடும் வேதியிலே மான் போல வந்தவனே யாரடித்தாரோ 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 வளரும் பிறையே தேயாதே அழுது தேம்பாதே அழுதா மனசு தாங்காதே அழுதா மனசு தாங்காதே தென்பாண்டி சீமையிலே தேரோடும் வீதியிலே மான் போல வந்தவனே யாரடித்தாரோ யாரடித்தாரோ யாரடித்தாரோ
attention of people. Next, I invite a soulful dancer to perform the dance.
Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, VP Sir and AO Sir, who have always been supportive of our initiatives and encourage us to strive for excellence. And also I would like to extend my gratitude to our beloved teachers who have been our guiding lights, important wisdom and knowledge to us, nurturing our talents. And also I would like to extend my gratitude towards our hardworking, non-teaching staffs who always been the supporters of our school. I would like to thank our lovable parents for their valuable presence. Finally, I would like to say that this event would not have been possible without the hard work of each and every one of you. Thank you all.